Welcome to Reality of Things. Situated at the edge of the San Francisco Bay, the Marin headlands in Mount Tam State Park offer a breathtaking escape into nature. Not far from the bustling city of San Francisco. With sweeping vistas of the Pacific Ocean, rugged coastal cliffs, and dense forests, this region is a paradise for those who enjoy outdoors, offering some of the most scenic and diverse hiking trails in Northern California. The Marin Headlands, a coastal gem within the Golden Gate National Recreation Area, is a dynamic landscape where grassy hills meet craggy cliffs and historical military sites dot the terrain. Towering above the bay, the headlands provide panoramic views of San Francisco, the Golden Gate Bridge, and the distant Farallon Islands. Just to the north lies Mount Tam State Park, the crown jewel of Marin County's hiking scene, known locally as Mount Tam. This iconic peak offers a stunning contrast of terrain from sun-dappled redwood groves to rocky ridges that provide sweeping views of the Bay Area. At 2,571 feet, Mount Tam offers a variety of hiking experiences, from tranquil forest walks to challenging summit climbs. The park's trail cater to all levels, whether you're a beginner looking for a leisurely stroll or a seasoned hiker seeking a more rugged adventure. Among the popular trails in the area are the Cataract Falls Trail, which meanders through lush forests and leads to the spectacular Cataract Falls.
Chỉ bỏ tòn tên 头寂寞作息，寂寞了的找被你哦，却保的喏，只保了的，都是点点下的内喏。
Here are the reality of things. The falls are a popular destination for hikers, but it requires a bit of a trek to reach them. They are actually a series of cascades along Cataract Creek. The hike to the fall takes you through lush forest areas including redwood groves, ferns, and oak woodlands. The scenic surrounding makes it a great spot for nature lovers and photographers. This is a 2.5-mile round trip. The trail is moderately easy, but don't let that fool you. There are multiple staircases and pathways with some steep uphill sections. If you go during the raining season or right after the rain, it can be very slippery, especially since coming back down can be difficult. The trail leads visitors through the forest with several viewpoints of the falls along the way. The best time to visit Cataract Falls is in the winter and spring months, when rainfall is at its peak. During this time, the falls are more active with a strong and impressive flow of water. In summer, the falls tend to be much drier. The area surrounding Cataract Falls was once home to the Marin Municipal Water District Dam and Reservoir System, which supplied water to nearby towns. In fact, the waterfall area used to be part of a much larger system of dams and waterworks. This is a very busy trail, so it's best to go early to get parking. This morning, there was only one other couple and us on the path, but later in the afternoon, many more people started coming, and this was on a Monday. The path is very narrow, and most of the time you have to clear the way for each other. There are multiple tiers of waterfalls along Cataract Creek, and the cascading effect creates a peaceful and mesmerizing atmosphere. The falls are around 200 feet in total height, though not all of it is visible at once, making it an exciting adventure to explore different viewpoints. The area surrounding Cataract Falls is home to varieties of wildlife. You may encounter deer, birds, and sometimes even a bobcat or mountain lion. The nearby creek also supports a variety of fish species, such as steelhead trout. In conclusion, Cataract Falls is a popular location for photographers due to its stunning natural beauty. The lush green environment, combined with the movement of the cascading water, creates picturesque moments, especially in the spring when everything is vibrant. This trail is also great for anyone looking to escape into nature and away from the busy life of San Francisco and the Bay Area. The stairs and incline make this a good workout as well. Thank you so much for watching.